That's like flowing conversation. We both have like a few different weird jobs. Like he works as a professional dog walker.
Those guys are impressive.
And I work as a clown.
What? That's awesome!
Yeah.
Be there and like perform.
Why is this light not switching?
What light?
I'm sitting here at the light at Floyd and Oakdale, and the left turn will not switch. Oh my God! What the? I just got hit. Are you f***ing kidding me?
So it's technically not going to the cottage, but we still got delays there. Northbound Highway 11 at Sparrow Lake, a left lane is blocked off for maintenance work. Eastbound 401, we have delays through the Salem area, and then it's just starting to bunch up at Brock Street as well. If you are traveling through Port Carling, Highway 118 is right now, and traveling up through Wabamink, we do have...
哇！睇下佢啲雪啊，睇下佢啲雪，睇咩佢啲雪啊？佢而家咁樣，佢邊度睇到？佢邊度睇到雪揸車佢？都傻傻地啲人真係。
佢唔撲走佢。
我點知佢點樣？佢根本點揸唔到你睇下，佢都唔知佢，我唔知佢點樣揸，佢諗住繼續。佢啲雪諗住會喐走啊！佢啲雪。
佢 windshield 唔夠啊！佢都唔夠力啊！佢 windshield 鏟唔到啲雪。
梗係鏟唔到啦
！What the hell？佢都撞你囉柚啊！做咩啊？撥佢啊！
佢話佢冇諗住懟埋你啊！
Whoa! What the hell?
I thought I had the right of way. I thought I had the right of way.
Có một sở thích đặc biệt là mỗi khi tuyết rơi, đó là
Shit.
phải bàn, nhưng mà cứ thấy sai ở đâu đó.
Appointment today. Yeah.
Really, dude?
So you gotta pull out in front of us and start brake check. Mom, I'll call you back.
Alright.
Bye.
He brake checked.
Yeah, and you got it on camera.
Call my dad.
Oh, I'm gonna call 911 first. I forgot cross streets. So we're shooking up. This guy came and brake checked us.
Okay.
And
Are you?
huh?
So where did this happen?
Oh, we're still on Metcalf.
Are you okay?
Okay. Hold on your window, hon.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, are you hurt? I don't know. He brake checked and I got it on camera.
Yeah,
he pulled right in front of me, hit the brakes. I'm like trying to slow down, so I got it on camera.
Okay.
Solstice.
Yeah, you did. You actually cut me off. I could go on my dash cam.
There's no one injured in your car, but I'm not one.
Yeah, he's good. He's arguing kind of with another driver right now.
Oh shit! I don't think I got it. But... Where did we hit?
This freaking live bait sign.
You did?
Yes.
Jesus Christ! Really? Really? Fucking idiot! You couldn't fucking wait, could ya? I was right in my lane. You went around me.
Hey. Get these down, please. Come on. Put these on the front. Can I put these on the front, please? Come on, these are hurting. Oh, God damn. These things fail.
7,500 pedestrians are killed each year.
I did fact check what this cop said. Let me read to you what it says. According to the latest data, approximately 7,522 pedestrians are killed by car.